Today, you will learn how to open PDF file in Word to edit. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open File Explorer on your computer. Now, find the PDF file that you want to edit. Once you locate the file, right-click on the PDF. A menu will appear. From the menu, select Open With, and then click Choose Another App. Now you will see a list of applications. Select Microsoft Word from the list. After selecting Word, click OK. Now your PDF file will open in Microsoft Word. You'll see a message from Word that says the PDF will be converted into an editable Word document and some formatting might change. This is normal. Click OK to continue. After a few seconds, the PDF will open inside Word. At the top of the document, you may see a button called Enable Editing. Click Enable Editing so you can start making changes. Now you can edit the text, change fonts, delete content, or add new text just like a normal Word document. You can also open a PDF directly from inside Microsoft Word. First, open Microsoft Word. Now go to the top left corner and click File. From the left side menu, click Open. Next, click Browse. A file window will appear. Now find the folder where your PDF file is stored. Double-click the PDF file. Again, Word will show a message saying it will convert the PDF into an editable document. Click OK. After a few seconds, your PDF will open in Word and you can edit it. Sometimes the formatting may change slightly after converting a PDF to Word. For example, images or text alignment might move a little. If that happens, you can easily fix it using Word's formatting tools. After editing your document, you can save it in two ways. Save it as a Word document, .doch, or export it back as a PDF file. To save it again as a PDF, click File, then Save As, then PDF. That's it. Very simple. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to learn Microsoft Word and PDF editing. See you in the next easy tutorial.